We have breaking news we need to get to also in the weather world. A nightly curfew put in place in Laurel County, Kentucky after a deadly tornado tore through that area over the weekend.
So heartbreaking. Megan Fee is back at the WKRN.com Laurel desk now with how that community is recovering this morning. Megan.
Yeah, Nicole, Mark, good morning. A Laurel County judge executive issued that curfew last night, also declaring a state of emergency in the area. I'll show you some video of the damage there. This all coming after Governor Andy Beshear announced Sunday that 17 people were killed there in Laurel County in those storms over the weekend. As those cleanup efforts are underway, starting today between 9 p.m. and 7 a.m. every night for the next week. Most people there will not be allowed on public streets, parks, or other public areas. That curfew will be in place in any tornado damage zone or curfew boundary within the City of London and all unincorporated areas of the county. For more breaking news around the clock, head to WKRN.com.